Dearest heart, do not let people be the reason you block your blessings. Let go of anger. What people did to you may not be right, but you need to forgive them. Forgive all of them so that you can take the next step. Let God deal with them. God is opening up doors for you. You don't have time for distractions. Let God lead the way. If He tells you to do something, you need to do it. It may not seem right, but God knows what He is doing. Trust His plan. Type yes if you believe in God, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 11:11. Thank you all.